Hello and welcome to a quick cabin tour of cabin 10103. This is a Sky Suite on Celebrity Apex. So as you immediately walk in, you have two very large wardrobes. So I'll show you inside. Plenty of space in here to hang storage, and then loads and loads of hangers and loads of storage space, which is really good. Then over here you have another wardrobe which has your shelving space. So you've got a umbrella up there, and then there's a safe, and then a load of drawers, which would be really useful. And then, yeah, you come straight into the living area. So it's pretty big. Obviously it's a little bit wider than a normal cabin. As you can see, this is set up as a twin because there's two of us in here this time. So yeah, decent amount of space. Beds look pretty good. The mattresses on Celebrity are really comfortable. So in the middle there, you've got some storage space, and then to the side, you've got a bedside table with some sockets. So you've got an American plug and then two USBs. And then some storage space underneath. On the other side, I'm just going to check that there is chargers over here. I think they might be behind the pillows. Can't see them, but that's a bit annoying if not. Just FYI, if you're in a twin setup, there may not be sockets on one side of the bed, which is a little bit annoying, but never mind. As you can see here, there is a window into the bathroom, and there'll be more on that later. Some nice artwork, and then you've got the desk area. So this is a chair, and this desk actually slides in and out if you want to give yourself some more space, or so you can access the full length mirror. Then here you've got the large TV, which has loads of different channels, and also the map and webcam. You've got a decent sized minibar, and these drinks are included in the retreat, which is really good. Then you've got a very large set of drawers, really deep, loads of space. You can put loads of stuff in there if you want to. And then on the side you have the charger box. So inside here you've got a European plug, two American and two USBs, and then the box allows you to sort of hide some of the cables if you want to. Then here you've got all your gubbins, essentially all the stuff that you could possibly need to know. You've got your Celebrity Today, which is your daily set of things that are going on. Then you've got info on your butler, because you get a butler in the suites, and your stateroom attendant, and then all the different menus. And then over here you've got kind of a sofa stroke chaise longue, and also a bottle of fizz, which is in your room as you arrive, which is always really lovely. And then you have here a really decent sized balcony and furniture. I'll just open this up. It's got a lock on here. Let's open that. Slide. And there is the bridge, because this is on deck 10. And then as you can see, really decent view, loads of outside space. Yeah, going to be good for the cruise, and it's actually pretty deep. It's not too bad. Yeah, so this is pretty good. Then as we go back in, let's make our way into the bathroom and also discuss that window. So bathroom is actually really big. Here on the left as you come in, you've got basically a bath shower that you can go straight into, and the whole door closes. So if I go like this, as you can see, it's really big, so you can have a bath if you want to. There's multiple shower heads, so there's a big rainfall shower, there's water that comes out of the side, and then there's also a handheld, and then yeah, you've got the bath tap there. Then you've got all your retreat toiletries, including conditioner, which is really good. Then here you've got your sort of glam station and large mirror. There's a shaving mirror and loads of storage here as well. Then a big mirror so you can see yourself, hello. And then, yes, here is the window through into the room. You can close this though, and it's also a mirror, which is really useful. So if you're like us in a twin configuration and you don't want anybody watching you in the bathroom, you can close that, but then you can open it up if you want a bit of light. So that's quite nice. And then you have a separate toilet and cloak area. But yeah, really big sink, like it's the widest sink I've ever seen in my life. Again, more toiletries, so you got hand wash and body lotion, and then a load of little bits, lip balm as well, and then more storage and glassware. But yeah, there we go. There is a tour of Sky Suite 10103 here on Celebrity Apex. See you later.